Yo guys, let's talk about FTT FTX token for the technical analysis using Ichimoku. Just 3 minutes, so bear with me please. It's going to be fast and very useful for you. Please like, subscribe and comment meanwhile. We can see on the weekly time frame that we have this Kumo forming here. It's going to create some support. So whatever happens in the future, if we are going to go bearish, we will have resistance on the SSB of our cloud at $32. This will be only starting the 11th of October. So there is heaps of time, of course, but that's something important to see. At the moment, you can see that through the FIB, we have the next resistance at about $89. About $89. That is where we have a take profit if you are on a long. If we go on a daily time frame, we can see that's the same. It's about 43. At the moment, the doji candle is forming, which means we have it's undecided. The market is undecided to go bearish or bullish. But we have a long head which is higher than the 2 previous days, so it kind of shows us a bullish trend. That's why we have our cloud here with the SSA pointing up. The SSB pointing up, it's because we have been bullish for a while now, so it takes this form at the moment. We can see that on the bottom down here we got the 10 can daily, way lower than our current candle, which is actually a resistance. So if you are shorting or having looking at a daily time frame for your trades, you have to put a stop loss at $66, okay, and worst case scenario at the $64. But when we go back into this kind of in this Tenkan or Kijun, usually something happens, but it doesn't seem to be the case at the moment. I don't think we're going to go there. So let's go on a 4 hours time frame quickly before the end of the video. We have a pullback now into the Tenkan 4 hours. So either way, we stop here and we go back into a run, maybe up our $89 on our resistance, or we keep going down to the Kijun 4 hours. So then we have a reaction on a pull up or pull back. So we need to worry at the moment to see what's going to happen here. But if you are on a short position, you go down to the Kijun 4 hours here, and that will give you a $71. One thing you can notice here as per the cloud is we have some time before we get there, but this area of the cloud is not going to stop us to go bearish if we are bearish, because it's not flat. The SSA is not flat, but here the SSA is very flat. So starting on the 11th of September 4 p.m. New York time, we are kind of safe. If we are above, this will become a price support unless we are very, very away. But if we are nearby, this will act as a price support. So it will be harder to get inside the cloud, even if it's quite large. Okay, as a lagging span, you can see the lagging span is about 6 bar before getting into this area of resistance. Once we get there with our lagging, we have resistance, and it's easier for the lagging to go above, you see, and if it goes above, our price as well. But we have 6 bar before it happens, and it's still, before that, we still can go bearish. You see, we have up to here. So we look at the 6 bar from where we are now, and you see it take us to the 10th of October, so tomorrow at 4 p.m. New York time. So before that, anything can happen. You see, we can go as low as here, for example, but here we don't see where is our resistance, except if we look at the lagging, we will have a resistance here. And what this area here match with, Kijun 4 hours, you see, exactly the same level. So if we go bearish, you guys know where is our resistance. This is going to be a strong resistance through our lagging and our Kijun. All right, guys, I won't get too much into details now anymore because already more than 3 minutes, but like and subscribe and let me know in the comment if you want me to do more of this one. Otherwise, I see you on Discord. You guys have a lovely evening and see you soon, maybe also on Twitch, who knows. Bye-bye, take care.